are your 3 problems?
Well, my first problem, I can't make it. Well, let's make sure. I made like this, but without this, and I put a bunch of blocks in there, and I just started shooting them out. And when we were walking out, Miss Yule said, "Can't it? Or you're making it do that? Why can't you make like why can't you make something else do that?" So it inspired me to put this in there, and then like I popped it out. Then when I went to Miss Yule, I did it, but Miss Yule said, "What's making this come out? The block, and what's making this pop out? Me." And then after that, I just started looking for spring, and I went to Mr. Kevin, and he bended this into a spring.
A spiral that looks like a spring. How does it work like a spring?
And then there's my second problem. We couldn't get this to work like a spring.
I see.
A spring jumps, and
Yeah.
this jumps too, but sometimes it just stays in place. But this doesn't stay in place.
So you need that to be more springy.
And my third problem is I can't get this in here. Like my third problem is when you go to the store and you get like a fake Nerf gun and you go home and you start playing with it, and when you look inside of it there is a spring. I can't identify
Aiden.
when I'm pushing this. I can't. But like when the regular Nerf gun, you have to push something, then it just comes out. But the spring does all the work for this, because I can't connect this. You know what they do? They connect this to go all the way to the spring to push it out. But I can't do that exact thing. And I tried, but it just couldn't work. I asked someone, and they couldn't do it. And
So
what's your problems?
So what do you do when you have 3 problems?
I don't know. I can't solve all 3.
Maybe you take them one at a time.
I did take them one at a time. I tried the first one.
So are you saying are you gonna give up?
I don't know.
No.